Kikubor kibabnya. Menteri Ramba kejelau kan rat ke sangma negasngi. Ula pentip hakaying dorbar tauan baki don lai pukandai ngut ki consultant ban riu pukandai Tylli Consultation Company. Menteri Ramba ula jubab halor gajingkeli balawan ra do MLA kamaulai uba Bright Star Well marbanyang haka dorbar mang tingka jong kaying dorbar tauan kejela ke badang ya syakmat. Usangma ula ong baya kajing siu baro ke balasiu manla usnam Omla bantip namar kajing pair jong ka porsiu hapadeng kitanat bat kajing he jong ka kam bat ka por jong ka project. Menteri Rangba ulah kedau bakat baka sorkar kadang trei ban penroi ya kiriu syampang. Hakatan kila Treikam ki company ai jingmut ban pentikna ya kajing Pynpaw ya ki kot kislah ka por ka bebiang. Bat ban lait na kajing do ya kajing mang pisa.
I would like to specifically know from the Honorable Chief Minister, like from his reply to the question A, with regards to individual consultant, there are 39 and consultancy firm 69. So may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, out of these consultants, whether individual or firm, how many are local and how many are from outside?
And based on the position and the responsibility that one works on, the payments and the salaries are there, whether you're from outside or whether you're from here. That is how it is. And for this, we have to prepare DPRs with so many technical specifications, which sometimes is beyond our officials also, and therefore we get the experts. We have to ensure that our own local boys and girls who are qualified are able to slowly or even quickly come up to that level where we are able to make the DPRs and projects at a level which is competing in the world standards and at the national standards.